What happens when you rent a U-Haul truck but someone else drives it and wrecks it? Let's talk about it. Hello, my name is attorney Roxelle Richards and welcome to the channel. Today we are addressing an important question many people have. What happens if you rent a U-Haul truck but someone else drives it and gets into an accident? This situation can be complex, so let's just go ahead and break it down. First, we're going to talk about rental agreement terms. First and foremost, when you rent a U-Haul truck, you enter into a rental agreement that outlines the terms and conditions, including who is authorized to drive the vehicles. Typically, the rental agreement specifies that only the person listed on the contract is allowed to operate the truck. Liability for damages. If someone else drives the truck, right, and gets into an accident, mind you, this truck is rented, liability can be complicated. Generally, as the renter, you may still be held responsible for any damages resulting from the accident, especially if the driver was not authorized under the rental agreement. This means that you could be liable for repair costs, medical expenses, or any damages to any other vehicles involved. Driver insurance. The next consideration is insurance. If the person driving the U-Haul has their own auto insurance, that policy may cover damages. However, it's essential to check the specifics of their coverage, as it may not extend to rental vehicles. Additionally, U-Haul offers insurance options when you rent the truck that could help cover damages. Potential legal action. If the accident results in injuries or significant property damage, there may be grounds for a legal claim. Depending on the circumstances, the injured parties could pursue compensation from either the driver or the renter. This is where understanding liability becomes crucial, and having legal representation can help clarify your responsibilities. So let's talk about some preventative measures. To protect yourself, it's important to review the rental agreement carefully and consider purchasing additional insurance coverage offered by the rental company. If you plan to let someone else drive the truck, make sure that they're listed on the rental agreement to avoid complications. In summary, if you rent a U-Haul truck and someone else drives it, you could still be held liable for any damages resulting from an accident. So understanding your responsibilities and having the right insurance in place is essential. If you find yourself in this situation and need guidance, I'm here to help. Our consultations are free. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need assistance with your personal injury claim. Let's ensure your rights are protected. All you have to do is call or click getinjuryhelp.net or 713-974-0388. Thank you.